It grieves my heart this evening to have to dismiss and rubbish some recent remarks made by West Indian batting great Brian Charles Lara. The big man was speaking at some lecture in England about the spirit of cricket and went on to berate, chastise and criticize the great West Indies teams of the 80s and early 90s for playing the game in a way it never should be played. Lara referred to when Colin Croft shoulder barged an umpire in New Zealand and when Michael Holding kicked over the stumps in frustration in Pakistan. According to Lara, those great West Indies teams of old employed attitude, tactics and gamesmanship aimed at winning at all costs. And that at the time in West Indies cricket, he, Brian Lara, was embarrassed. What? It looked like Chichi eat out Brian Lara bread. This is a man who, despite his batting brilliance, went on to become one of the worst captains in the history of West Indies cricket in terms of results. This is the man who ushered in the losing culture after the period of dominance and now turning round to curse the heroes and the champions of the past about their approach to cricket. The man said he was ashamed of a team that played ruthless, uncompromising cricket to become champions of the world. And obviously, he preferred a team that plays soft in the spirit cricket but cannot win a match, much less a series. Brian Lara sounds like a man sick with bad mind issues. And again confirms that a lot of these past greats of sports, when they leave the game, they must not speak. Brian Lara, you're the boss, but do not speak, big man. Do not. Let me tell you. Hold this, Brian. Hold this. Hold this, Brian. Hold this.